was born with the gift of sin. That is why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problem and the solution. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are hearing my voice, wherever you are hearing me from, okay? And if this is your first time of visiting my channel, do it to smash that subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss other important video from me. Today I want to teach you how you can use olive oil, that's guava oil, how you can use olive oil and salt for back to sender. And this is a particular back to sender that work mainly on something that has to do with evil spell, evil charm, maybe there's any charm working against you, or there's any spirit tormenting you. Okay, this is how this one work. But this back to sender does not work on family causes. But if there's any spirit tormenting you, or maybe there's any evil spirit tormenting you, or maybe there's an evil spell which is working against you that is making things difficult for you. You are having bad dreams, you have bad dreams, you are not lucky, you always have a setback, maybe where you're supposed to get 20, you end up getting 2. So this is for you. Okay, this is for you. I want to understand one thing. I made a video on this, that each and every day has a particular work which is more favorable, which is better for you to do. If you have not watched that video, these are the best spiritual work for those days. Check my YouTube channel, you get to see that. Okay, and secondly, what I'm trying to say, okay, let me just go. What I'm trying to say is that this particular one has a particular day, it has this that is perfect for them. You can either do this Saturdays or Tuesdays. Those are the best 2 days you can do back to sender. Saturdays or Tuesdays. Okay, you need olive oil, then you need salt, normal cookie salt, not oceanic salt or any other type of salt. You need not sea salt, you need normal cookie salt. After you have gotten your salt, that's your olive oil. Now you will get your bathing water. Okay, get your bathing water, which is either Saturday or Tuesdays. Get your bathing water, then you are going to fill your bucket with the water you are going to bathe with. Then get your olive oil. Okay, after you have gotten your olive oil, you open it, add 21 drops of olive oil to that water. 21 drops, like 1, 2, 3 till 21. Then you add 21 drops of olive oil to that your bathing water. Then you add half full of salt, cookie salt. You add half full of salt to that cookie salt. I made a video on olive oil. I told you that there is this special power God has given to olive oil. Olive oil has this ability to absorb spoken words. You see olive oil, that's guava oil. It has the ability to absorb spoken words. Like if you speak on it, I receive good luck. That olive oil will absorb it. Once you take bath with it or use it for anything, you see that it will come to manifest. So after you have added 21 drops of olive oil, then you have added your heart full of salt. Then you strip naked, just like when you come to this world. There should be, even if you are a lady, there should be no earring on your ear. You should not be wearing any ring. Even slippers you are not going to wear. Just like the way you are giving birth to. That is how you are going to stay when you take this bath. You will be 100% naked. And when you are naked, then you face that water. You make prayers that whatever it is that is working against me, anything at all, being it charm, being it evil spell that is working against me, that is working against my life, as I'm taking this bath, I wash away every negativity. I wash away anything that is working against me. I'm free from setback. I'm free from promise I fail. I'm free from disappointment. I'm free from I'm free from evil dreams. So you make that prayers on the water. When you are done making prayers on that water, everything you want. After you have made prayers of what you don't want, then you make prayers of what you want. So I want to be healthy. If you are sick, you can also make prayer, because if that sickness is caused by a spirit, or maybe there's a spirit that caused that sickness. I want to be healthy. I want to receive. I want money to come to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. I want people to favor me. I want those people that have forgotten me to remember me for good. I want to be a billionaire. I want to be this. I want to be that. So when I don't make it that prayers, okay? When I don't make it those prayers of all you want and how you want everything to be, then you use your bare hand. You are not going to use anything like you are not going to use anything like maybe a facial or rubber to pour water on your body. Okay, you are going to use your bare hand to pour the water. And when you are taking your bath, you start the bath from your head. The first water it should be from your head. So you pour the water on your head. You cannot start pouring water all over your body. As you are taking your bath, you keep making prayers. When you are done taking your bath, especially if you have a space outside, you can take your bath. It's advisable you take your bath in an open air. But if you don't have access to an open air, like an empty space where you can take your bath outside, then you can take your bath inside your bedroom. Or if you have a place that is separated from the place you regularly take your bath, you can take your bath from there. But if there's no space, take your bath where you regularly take your bath, so you leave it and make sure you do it in the night where you know that no other person is going to use that bedroom that day. So after then, you can now, maybe in the morning before you use the place, you can now wash that bedroom. Okay, you can just pour water on the bedroom so that you flush it away. As simple as that. Once you do this, by special grace of Almighty God, whatever it is that is working against you at that moment, that will clear it up. And one thing about this, I have to tell you the truth, is that when you do this one only help to neutralize it for some time. It's not permanent. If it is a spirit that is working against you, by the time you do this spirit will stay away from you. So there's probability for you to come back. Maybe after a while, you can come back. But once you start taking this bath, it keeps setting them away. Help to set evil spirit away, evil energy away. As long as you are taking this, even if you can take it once in a week, once in 2 weeks, once in 3 weeks, or once in a month, depending on the state you are spiritually now. So if you find this video helpful so far, do not forget to don't just watch and go. Share, like, and comment, okay? And if there's anything you don't understand, ask question. I will get back to you. See you guys in the next video. You see, I always cares.